Okay, guys. Sorry for the misunderstanding. I just did some revamping on my website and didn't realize that I didn't enable comments. So for folks who may have some problems trying to leave a comment, basically you should be able to fix it now. Go to www.talkenglish.com, and when you do that, the website should come up. You want to go to TESOL blog. Okay. Once you go to TESOL blog, and you can leave a reply. I know this wasn't there before. You can also register. You leave a reply. You can just comment. I don't think you don't have to register because just put your name, email, if you represent a website. Only your name will come up as you want it, and put your real name so I know who's responding. At least your first name. Your email will not show up, and you don't have to put your website. You just click post to comment. Okay, so that should be pretty self-explanatory. I believe that answers any questions. As far as the question, this is the question I posted this week that you can respond to. But check your notes for the question that I asked you last Saturday to see how many people took good notes. All right. Leave a message in the WhatsApp if you have any additional questions. Thank you.